Judges, I know it's hard, but do you have a decision? Okay, let's do this, guys. Is everyone gonna do it with me? We're gonna do 3, 2, 1. Alright, cool. Let's do 5, 6, 7, 8, then 3, 2, 1. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3. That was rubbish. 5, 6, 7, 8.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, Kelan takes that one. Please give it up for our other 2 dancers, Kenya and Sean. Great to bring. So we're going down to the